Hey guys, it's your boy Ashfay Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and ring that bell notification. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you're gonna benchmark your storage device. Okay, such as if you have HDD, mechanical hard drive, solid state drive, SSD, or NVMe M.2. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link down below in the video description, so make sure that you click that. Once you click that, you will be brought to this page right here, CrystalDiskMark. So now at the top you're gonna see quick download. So we have two programs, two softwares in this right here. One is CrystalDiskInfo and this one Shizuku. These two of them are with the skins. Okay, so this is a standard edition, so this is what we'll need to use. Desktop, and basically I'm gonna click on the CrystalDiskMark, the standard. Okay, now depending on the website availability of the download, yeah, as the download started, just close the page, hit open. If prompted, hit yes, the administrator account. If it prompts you, just click yes. Here, click I accept the agreement. Hit next, next, next. Yes, create a shortcut onto your desktop and hit next, install. Alright, now click launch. Okay, so basically this is a standard edition. In the file we have copy, save images, settings, test data, we have profile, peak performance, real world, we have default. Okay, this one it is selected on default, which is read and write. Okay, so when we do a test, it's going to test on this, the read and the write speed as well, read speed and write speed. Okay, and basically right here it's on 5, this is 1 GB. Okay, so 5 theme, if you want to click theme, so here you can choose like this Legend of Green, but I'm gonna keep it as default. Yep. Okay, and let me tell you this, guys. Okay, so when you are doing this, it may shorten your SSD life. Okay, when you are about to benchmark your SSD, your NVMe, it will shorten the lifespan. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, don't benchmark every day, because if you do it every day, your SSD, your M.2 lifespan will get decreased. Okay, it will be shortened. Okay, so now how do we run this? All you gotta do is to click the all. Okay, so you can see right here it says stop. So in, let's say right here it is testing the sequential for the read. Okay, here we got speed for the read of let's say 5,000. Okay, all right, so it's going to, let's say you want to stop at any time, you can click the stop button. Yeah. So it's going to test all of that. And yeah, so my main SSD, I got two M.2 SSDs, so it is currently checking this one. In the local DC I have the WD Black 1 terabyte. Okay, the speed I believe is about 5,000. And I'm also gonna test this one, SSD. It's not SSD, it's M.2. Yeah, it's an M.2 NVMe SSD, 2 terabyte. And as you can see, it does not give you the whole 2 terabyte, you're gonna get only 1.8. And as for this one is WD Black, okay, it is 1 terabyte, but I got only 930 GB. Okay, so well, basically this is even if you buy a 4 terabyte of SSD, you're never gonna get the full 4 terabyte. Okay, there will be always some cuts. So right now we can see some data. Okay, so right now it is reading at this speed, okay, 5,000, and I got 3,000, and in how many seconds? Okay, 84 seconds. And now it's going to test in the write, okay, the sequential for writing. All right, read, it has completed. Now it's on this one, the write. Read and write. Okay, so for the writing, the first speed, yeah, 4.9, okay, 4,900 megabits, okay, megabytes per seconds. MB, that means megabyte per seconds. Okay, yeah, it looks promising, and there is another one you could download, which is CrystalDiskInfo. I believe it's version 9. CrystalDiskInfo version 9. You will see if your SSD, your drive is you're gonna see the info, the serial number, and you're gonna see if the lifespan has shortened or not. If it shows like 100%, that means uh, your drive is currently new and it's still working. It is beautifully working. It is working with charm, okay, like a charm. But if your drive shows anything below 50%, that means the drive is gonna die on you in a few weeks or in a few months. Okay, now testing the writing speed in seconds. Okay, in how many seconds does this? Okay, oh my god, this one in 246 seconds. Oh, okay, yeah, 30%. And let's say random write. Okay, so it has test all. Okay, so you can see everything right there, and you can limit this, like give only one. How many counts? So two of them, you can change the GB into how many GBs. Just gonna leave that by default, which is this. And now I'm gonna test this one, the drive D. Okay, this what the hell is it? My drive D, which is this brand, Fanxiang. Okay, this Chinese brand, Fanxiang. So I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna select this, and then let me do, yeah, I'm gonna do 5. Okay, writing in yeah, and then I'm gonna click all. Okay, so once I hit all, this thing will start. Okay, so we are now currently checking the read speed for this drive. Okay, the Chinese one, which is Fanxiang. All right, so basically, yeah, this is a PCIe Gen 4, and I'm getting a speed of 6,500. Yeah, looks promising. It sure does. Okay, all right, so we're gonna see this is a reading speed. We're gonna see how does it fare in the writing speed. Okay, this is a Gen 4. Yeah, I forgot to state that this my local DC is a WD Black 1 TB Gen. I believe it's a Gen 3. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check that on Amazon. I'm gonna have to check my orders on Amazon and see whether it's a Gen 3 or Gen maybe. Yeah, it's a Gen 4 I think, because there was two of them. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so as for this one, the read. Okay, the read, we are getting this, you can see we got 6,500 MB, and now we're gonna check. Okay, so this one in 79 seconds. The other one, the 1 TB drive, we got around 84, I think. Yeah, so you can see these values and you can differentiate between them. Okay, so now we're gonna test the write speed. This one, it's going to be on this column right here. So you can see right here it says sequential write 1.4. Okay, so write speed, the writing speed. Okay, it's 6,000 MBs in the writing speed. Yeah, looks kind of good. I mean, it's really good. It's over like it's over 5,000. But this Fanxiang, this Chinese brand, it was stated on their on their product title was clearly stated that the read was over 7,300 MBs, but that's clearly a bait. That was clearly a lie to bait customers. Okay, so you're gonna get so say you're gonna buy the Chinese brand, which I've just shown you, this brand Fanxiang. If you're gonna use that onto with a heatsink onto your PS5 console, so I believe you're gonna get the same speed as I'm getting right here. Okay, with a read of 6,500 and maybe 6,400, and the write speed as well, you're gonna get above 5,000, and that's better than most Samsung Pro NVMe or M.2 SSDs Gen 4, PCIe 4.0 Gen 4. So I'm not too sure about this one. This is not seconds, because this one took less, and this one, oh yeah, the write speed, yeah, so it is the seconds, but this one it is only reading, so that's why it is fast. Okay, so and this one it is writing. It is writing test size of 1 GB. It is doing a test, and then it will automatically delete that. Okay, and if we go to over there, you can see I only have this. I don't have any 1 GB whatever that it this program writes on it to test it. Okay, so yeah, so this is following speed for the NVMe SSD Gen 4 for the Fanxiang 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD Gen 4. So this is a current benchmark, and this is a benchmark for the WD NVMe M.2 NVMe 1 TB. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you appreciate this video, and leave a like on this video if I've helped you enough to like benchmark your own. Like you can benchmark not only M.2, guys, you can benchmark anything like 2.5 SSD, SATA 3. You can benchmark mechanical hard drive as well. When I say mechanical, it's the 3.5-inch, the big one, okay, the HDD. Alright, so yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. This is your boy Yashvia Gaming signing out. Peace.